Welcome to the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. The Elevation truck is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine and made it up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle: power windows, locks, mirrors, drivability mode, trailer mode, push-button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, column shifter, push-button ignition, nice large 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control with heated seats, integrated trailer braking system and USB ports. Truck has the all black interior as well, and our heated bucket seats up front of the 2021 Sierra 1500. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the truck, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package, alloy wheels with the Bridgestone Dueler AT all-terrain tires, color matched door handles with keyless entry, elevation on the front door, and 5.3-liter plaque on the front fender. Coming to the front of the truck, color matched front bumper and grille. You do have fog lights, LED daytime running lamps, recovery hooks. Making our way to the back, this is a crew cab regular box, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start X31 off-road package at the rear, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, and the GM Multi-Pro tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, second row cloth 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready with in-seat storage feature. A solid rear window with defrost. Solid roof over top with lighting there as well. Dual USB ports in the back of the center console for your rear passengers. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.